Okay, we're going to get ready for another dictation. We're going to keep working on our suffix ed today. Our suffix ed has three sounds. It can say id, t, or d. We'll have to decide what goes at the end when we hear it. Okay, number one is banded, banded. So my root word is band. B-a-n-d, band. If I want to make it say banded, then I add ed. Now I have the word banded. Number two is the word yelled, yelled. The root word is yell. Y, eh, yell. If I want to make it say yelled, I'm going to add ed. Now I have the word yelled. The sound at the end of that word is d. Ed says d here. Number three is linked, linked. My root word is link. Ink, link. To make it say linked, I'm going to add ed, says t, linked. Now I have the word linked. Number four is the word stumped. We see a blend here and a blend here. My root word is stump. Stump. If I want to make the word stumped, I add ed, says t. Now I have the word stumped. Number five is the word happened. So my root word is happen, hap, pen. The first syllable is hap, ap. The second syllable is pen, p, a, n. Happen. If I want to make it say happened, I'm going to add ed. Now I have the word happened. Rewrite. This is like something happened yesterday. Okay, let's read through the words we wrote today. Ready? Banded, yelled, linked, stumped, happened.